Hello, my name is Rob Weir. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Maguey Exchange, a supply chain technology platform that connects agave spirits producers throughout Mexico with buyers across the globe. With its rich traditions and ever-evolving innovations, the world of agave spirits offers a fascinating journey. From cultivation to the final product, it's a complex process that reflects cultural heritage, art, and the demands of a modern market. In this overview, we'll explore each part of the production process, focusing on implications and considerations for importers and brand owners looking to make this complex spirit part of their portfolio. Let's dive in. Where to start? Selecting a producer. Agave spirits are crafted all across Mexico, with mezcal alone being produced in over 12,000 distilleries throughout Oaxaca, Guerrero, Michoacán, Puebla, Durango, San Luis Potosí, Zacatecas, Guanajuato, and Tamaulipas. This breadth of options provides opportunities to find the best producer for your needs, but also the challenge of making the best decision for your operations. When selecting a producer, it's important to understand needs and values. Whether you aim for a traditional spirit or a more contemporary twist, or you're looking for a rare bottle or a distillery that can handle bulk orders, understanding your market, your needs, and your values will guide the selection of the right producer. Research and network. Learn about different distilleries and immerse yourself in the culture by visiting regions and engaging with the locals. Unlike other categories of spirits that are often rinse and repeat experience, agave spirits are very unique and specific to the people behind the product. This research is key to finding the specific people creating the specific product you're looking for. Quality and ethical considerations. Seek producers that adhere to quality standards and ethical practices for harvesting, cultivation, and production. Remember, sustainability isn't just a buzzword. It's a market driver and critical to the future of the industry. How's it made? Harvesting and production methods. From harvesting to sourcing, producing agave spirits is an intricate dance between traditional knowledge and modern demand. At each step of the supply chain, careful attention must be paid to both products being crafted today and the resources necessary to craft them tomorrow. Consider harvesting with respect. Skilled magueyeros harvest agave by hand. This traditional method ensures only mature plants are taken. Cooking and fermenting. Traditional ovens and wooden vats contribute unique flavors that modern methods might lack. Impact on the final product. The artisanal touch results in spirits that are rich and multifaceted, reflecting the soul of the land. Modern techniques. While automation of newer technologies are gaining ground and providing consistency and efficiency, this sometimes comes at the cost of character. Think back on your needs and values. What kind of experience are you looking to craft for your consumer? How much do you need? Capacity and product considerations. At its core, agave spirits shine due to their rarity and complexity. While it might be tempting to go all in on products, the reality is that the supply a producer has on hand simply might not exist to meet the demand. When thinking about the capacity and product needs for your portfolio, consider size and volume. The scope of production plays a pivotal role in shaping your offerings. For instance, smaller palenques, traditionally producing about 500 liters per week, deliver a unique character to their spirits. On the other hand, larger distilleries processing upward of 10,000 liters a week cater to high market demands efficiently. When choosing, weigh the benefits of offering a varied collection versus specializing in a select few. In 2019, Mexico's National Committee for Agave Production reported that artisanal and ancestral mezcal, which are typically produced by smaller palenques, make up only about 5% of the total mezcal market, indicating the significant volume differential between large-scale and small-scale producers. Product range. Are you leaning towards a singular standout product or an extensive range? This decision heavily leans on the producer's availability and timelines. For instance, while a typical agave plant takes between 7 to 15 years to mature, some rare variants might take even longer. Therefore, availability and production schedules should be factored in. Quality control and regulations. Agave spirits are under stringent controls. The Mexican official standard, NAM, outlines regulations from the type of agave, with over 200 varietals available, but only 40 used for spirit production, to labeling, ensuring you're selling tequila or mezcal as per the accurate denomination of origin. Adhering to these standards not only safeguards your brand reputation, but also celebrates the spirit's rich heritage. According to the Regulatory Council of Tequila, only blue agave can be used for making tequila, while for mezcal, there's a more extensive list, which includes espadín, tobaciche, and araqueño, amongst others. This strict adherence to quality and type is crucial for brand identity and trust in the market. What does it look like? The role of packaging and presentation. When you consider the spirits landscape, there's no shortage of options for consumers to choose from. Products that have the benefit of name recognition have a shortcut to gaining and keeping attention. For those that don't, packaging and presentation can make the difference between consistent restock requests or collecting dust on shelves. First impressions. Packaging is often the first interaction consumers have with your product, with most Americans agreeing that packaging design and materials used often influence their purchase decisions when selecting which products to buy. Make sure yours tells a story at first glance. Tradition meets innovation. From hand-blown glass to eco-friendly materials, packaging can be a bridge between tradition and modernity, and can become an additional factor that drives consumers to your product over and over again. Legal requirements. Packaging must also comply with various regulations, including labeling laws. Take care to research applicable laws and regulations based on location. What's the story? Communicating the source and process authentically. Now, more than ever, consumers care about the stories behind their purchases. With so many options available to them, they want to know the ins and outs about the brands they're spending their money on, and they want to feel good about what they find out. Transparency and education. Educate consumers about the production process, the origin of the recipes and materials, and why it matters. This builds trust and loyalty. Marketing and branding. Align your marketing strategies with the authentic story of the product and, pending their approval, the people behind it. How can it be easier? Using technology to simplify the process. With a history steeped in tradition, agave spirits provide a unique opportunity to blend past, present, and future. Just as the production process has been passed down through previous generations, with increased interest and demand, modern technology and digitization creates resources that can secure the spirit's survival. Connecting producers and buyers. Solutions like Maguey Exchange facilitate connections between producers, importers, and brand owners on one simple platform. Transparency and efficiency. Utilizing technology can streamline sourcing and ensure alignment with goals, values, and expectations at each step of the value chain. As we embrace the future of the agave spirits industry, the challenge lies in balancing tradition with innovation, selecting the right producer, understanding traditional methods, considering capacity, packaging, communicating authentically, and leveraging technology are essential aspects of the journey. Whether you're an importer or brand owner, recognizing these dynamics and acting thoughtfully will position your agave spirit in a market that values both heritage and progress.